Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Khanna. Now in this video, I will explain what Python is and why it is such popular programming language. Now the first one is what is Python? What is Python? Python is general purpose, high level, interpreted, dynamically typed, dynamically typed and case sensitive programming language. So here each of these term means general purpose, high level, interpreted, dynamically typed, and case sensitive. Each of these term has its own significance. Now I will explain each of them in detailed way. Now let's decode each one. Now the first one is general purpose. Python is general purpose programming language, which means Python is designed to used for wide range of applications rather than being specialized for particular problem or industry. And Python can be used for tasks such as data analysis, web development, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, automation, machine learning, and more. So here its versatility and readability make it popular choice for the beginners and experienced programmers alike. So this one is the general purpose, and next one is the high level. Python is high level programming language. Means Python is very closer to human language than machine language. This make it easier to understand and write the Python programming. As you don't need worry about the low level details of the computer hardware. And next the third one, interpreted. And next the third one is interpreted. So Python is interpreted programming language. For example, in other programming languages like C and Java, which are compiled languages, Here, the execution of the old program is done at once, but in Python is interpreted programming language. Python is interpreted programming language. Here, the execution of the program is done at one line at a time. That means line by line. So now I can differentiate between these compile and interpreter. Now, now you can see what is the difference between compiler and interpreter. Here the compiler converts entire source code of a programming language into machine code. Okay, so here the entire source code is converted into machine code, and in interpreter it takes source code and read and execute one line. Okay, it takes source code, read and execute one line at a time. So here the compiler takes large amount of time to analyze the source code, but the overall execution of the program is faster. So it takes very large amount of time. When it takes large amount of time to analyze the source code, analyze the source code, but our execution of the program is faster. Okay, and in interpreter it takes less amount of time to analyze the source code, but the overall execution of the program is slower as compared to compiler. So it takes less amount of time to analyze the source code, but here the overall execution of the program is slower. So here the examples are Java and C, and here the examples are Python, Perl, and MATLAB. Okay, this is the interpreted programming language. And next, fourth one is the dynamically typed. Python is dynamically typed programming language. Means we don't need to specify the data type of a variable. For suppose in Java and C, we have to, for suppose if you want to specify a variable, for suppose if you want to declare and initialize a variable, we have to specify the data type before the variable name. But like this, like in Java and C, int a equal to 10. So in this, in Java and C, first we have to specify the data type of a variable before the variable name. But in Python, you can simply write a is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. This means here the a is identified by the value is 10 and it is stored in it. Okay, and so here Java and C are the statically typed. So here Python is a interpreted programming language. And if you want to know the data type of a variable in Python, so you can write like this: print type a. So here type is a predefined function in Python. So here it gives output something like int, is indicating that the variable stores an integer value. Okay, and next fifth one is case sensitive. Case sensitive. Next one, fifth one is the case sensitive. Okay, so Python is case sensitive programming language. For example, if you declare a variable a and initialize its value is 10. Now you try to print like this, print a. Okay, so here you initially declare variable a and initialize its value is 10 and you try to print like this, then it will immediately results an error, why, although this a and a may sound same when you are spoken, but in Python programming they are considered as different identifiers. These are different identifiers. Okay, so this gives an error. So the correct one is print A. Then it will give an output as 10. Okay, so identifier is a identifier in programming is used to name the variable, or functions, classes, or modules, and other entity in the programming. So identifiers are the special and another topic I will explain in next video. Okay. And next topic. And next another topic. And next another topic. So why Python is such Python is such popular programming language? Why Python? Python is popular choice for programming due to several reasons. For example, in Python and C, okay, for example, in Java and C, in Java and C, I want to print hello world, hello world, like this. I want to print hello world in this programming language. So you can see, compare with Java and C, how much of lines of code is required to print this hello world. So now you can see, first see with the C language. So in C, hash include standard input output dot h int main printf hello world. Okay, and in Java, public class, class name, public static void main string args, public Okay, string out system dot out dot print ln. So now you can write hello world. Now close the braces. So, but in Python you can simply write, in Python you can simply write print hello world. Okay, so in C it takes this lines of code, and in Java this takes this much of lines of code. And you can Python you can simply write like this. So this demonstrates, it reduces the how much of code required to achieve the task. So Python allows us to write complex problems, make it concise and easier to read. Okay, so this is the today class, and I will meet another class, another video with new topic. Thank you.